Have you ever wondered what mysteries still elude the grasp of the scientific community? In our world of rapid technological advancement and expanding knowledge, there exist questions that baffle even the greatest minds. Mysteries that remain unsolved, puzzles that defy our understanding, enigmas that tease our curiosity. These are not mere gaps in our knowledge, but exciting challenges that push the boundaries of our understanding. Today we delve into some of the most intriguing unsolved mysteries in science that continue to perplex us. First up, we have the enigma of dark matter. This mysterious substance, accounting for about 85% of the universe's matter, doesn't interact with light or any other form of electromagnetic radiation, making it virtually invisible. Despite its elusive nature, we know it's there because of the gravitational effects it exerts on visible matter, galaxies, and even the rate at which the universe expands. Think of it like a cosmic ghost, unseen yet profoundly influential. Dark matter's gravitational pull helps hold galaxies together, and without it, our cosmos would look vastly different. Yet, despite its vital role, we're still scratching our heads about what dark matter actually is. Scientists have proposed various possibilities, from exotic particles to unseen black holes, but none have been directly detected or fully understood. This invisible, enigmatic substance that silently shapes our universe is a tantalizing mystery. Until we can directly observe dark matter, it remains one of the greatest unsolved mysteries in the cosmos. Next, we tread into the realm of the mind with the puzzle of consciousness. This is a puzzle that has baffled scientists and philosophers alike for centuries. What is consciousness? How does it emerge? And what is its true nature? The human brain, a complex network of billions of neurons, somehow manages to produce a conscious experience. Yet despite our understanding of the brain's structure and its intricate operations, the precise mechanism that sparks consciousness remains unknown. Is it a byproduct of complex computation among brain networks, or does it require a new kind of physical or biological principle we haven't discovered yet? These are questions that continue to stoke the fires of investigation among neuroscientists, psychologists, and philosophers. This elusive phenomenon, the very essence that makes us aware of ourselves and our surroundings, that allows us to feel, perceive, think, and experience reality, remains an enigma. The puzzle of consciousness thus remains a deeply intriguing and unsolved mystery of science. Finally, we touch upon a mystery that has puzzled humanity since time immemorial: the origin of life. Let us embark on a journey back in time to a young Earth, 4 billion years ago, a place where life as we know it was just a glimmer in the cosmic eye. One theory suggests life began in a primordial soup, a nutrient-rich body of water teeming with the building blocks of life. In this crucible, through a series of chemical reactions, the first primitive life forms may have sprung into existence. Another theory, known as panspermia, proposes that life did not originate on Earth at all, but was delivered here from somewhere else in the cosmos. Yet, despite these fascinating theories, we're left with more questions than answers. How did non-living matter transform into living organisms? What were the exact processes that sparked life? As it stands, the origin of life remains a riddle wrapped in an enigma. These unsolved mysteries, while baffling, are the driving force behind scientific exploration. Each one represents a question mark in our understanding of the universe, a challenge to dig deeper, to push further, to never stop asking why. The enigma of dark matter, the puzzle of consciousness, the mystery of life's origin, these are not mere intellectual curiosities. They are the grand questions that have puzzled, intrigued, and inspired us for centuries. They are the fuel for our collective imagination, the sparks that ignite our passion for discovery. In the vast cosmic canvas, we are but tiny specks, yet we dare to reach out, to question, to explore. We dare to dream of unraveling the secrets of the universe, one mystery at a time. And while we may not have all the answers today, each question brings us one step closer to understanding our place in this grand cosmic play. These unsolved mysteries serve as reminders of our humble beginnings and our limitless potential. They remind us that we are part of a universe that is infinitely complex and endlessly fascinating. They inspire us to persevere, to keep pushing the boundaries of knowledge and understanding. And so we continue our quest, driven by curiosity, fueled by passion, and inspired by the unknown. Remember, the universe is under no obligation to make sense to us. But as curious beings, we are under every obligation to try and make sense of it.